Hi reception class, today I'm going to show you how to add some sound buttons on different words with the diagraph. Are you ready? Fluff. L, and now I'm going to add the sound buttons. Ready? L, and when the diagraph fluff. Ready for the next one? Sniff. Ready to add our sound buttons? S, n, e, f, sniff. Okay, ready? Stiff. S, t, e. The diagraph. S, t, e, f, stiff. Ready to sound out the words? F, l, f, fluff. S, n, e, f, sniff. S, t, e, f, stiff. Now it's your turn.